So in this video we will see inheritance in Python. So what is inheritance? So let's check it out. So inheritance is nothing but one class uh, derive every attribute and method from other class. Like he copy the property and behavior of other class. Like I want to create a employee class. Uh, I want to create an employee class to create a employee of my company. So, and there is actually a human class as well. You can understand it by this figure that I created a employee class and I created a person class. So actually employee is actually a person as well. So can I copy or derive all the feature of person in employee as well, because employee is also a person. So why I write all the feature of person or all the behavior of person or all the attribute of person in this code? So why I do this? So for this I just copy all the methods. I just derive all the methods and attribute from person class to employee class or person class to student class. So because employee is also person, student is also person. So can I create a class which also have properties of person? So yes, we can create just by inheriting. So it is actually inheriting from person class and inheriting from student class. So it is taking all the properties, all the all the properties, all the attribute from its own class without copying all the codes in this class, its own class. So this is called inheritance. So why we use them? So it is actually because it help reusability of code. So our code should be reusable. Like in function, if I want to add something to number, so just call add function, so it will add. Not we do not have to define that that's 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. So we do not have to define this. So that is why for reusability case we use inheritance. We will understand it in code example as well. So it get access to every so it get access to every method and it gets access to every method and attribute of class parent class. So when its definition is when class derived from other class means every attribute and method from other class. So it is called inheritance, and it get access to every method and attribute of parent class, and it helps reusability of codes. Our code should be manageable. Our code will be a good code. So when it is manageable, when it is organized, when it optimal, when it elegant, and when it reusable as well, then our code is good. Otherwise it is not considered as a good code or a best code, we can say. So what is parent? So when actually here what employee is taking all the attribute and method or behavior from person class. So person is a parent class and employee is a child class, or we can say it a derived class from person class. So I think this is you understood what is inheritance. Inheritance used to inherit a class, inheriting some inheriting ma- inheriting behavior and attributes from other class. So I think this is enough for this video. In next video, we will understand inheritance in code example as well. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet you in next one.